So Diane and I are here in Roseville, and we're at the Sacramento Bot Battle. This is being held on a college campus, and the excitement in the air is hard to describe. The kids are feverishly working, trying to get their robots ready, and some of the big boys are here to cheer them on, and let's hope we see some good matches today. But we have some news. Since you last saw us, our third match has been announced, and we are going to be fighting Yeti in a main event in tomorrow's episode, 8 p.m. on the Discovery Channel. Check it out.
Uh-oh, Riptide going after Rattrap now as Rattrap says, no thank you, no thank you. And Sweeper coming in to seal their doom.
What you make?
Oh, hopefully something functional.
That looks big. Hi there. Who are you?
I'm Alexander Cameron. I run Team Overkill here. This bot here was fully designed in Fusion 360 first, and then it was built mostly just by me in 2 weeks. It has two CNC plates on the top and bottom, and uses custom turned pulleys to drive the weapon.
All right. Thank you very much.
Right.
I wish you luck today.
Thank you.
That's late, but
Carter's sitting underneath him, beating him up. He's got him wedged up against the wall. Console is not. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Knockout! Kronos wins!
It is absolute chaos right now as everybody is trying to get their robots ready to fight. There are people running around borrowing receivers, batteries, chargers, whatever you could think of, just to be prepped and ready to go into the arena. This is reminding me of good times. It's actually reminding me of what we felt right before the Yeti match. We decided to go with our demon armor this time. It's what we used in a pinch when we were fighting Hypershock in the Bounty Hunter series. And it's these big upright rails that keep robots away from our idler and our sector gear, which is what powers the robot's arm. And it works so well against Hypershock that we're hoping it will also work against Yeti. Now, we're definitely staying away from the long forks, and we're staying away from the classic blade. Lessons learned in the Whiplash match. And hopefully, the demon armor, will keep Yeti at bay and put him right in line for the hammer saw to strike. So make sure to tune in tomorrow to see if our plan and our setup works. To commemorate me ripping my pants on that piece, Battlebots has released a special t-shirt. Woo! To commemorate the main event between Skorpios and Yeti, we have this awesome shirt, which is available right now on Amazon.com. Go now and buy one. If you're a fan of the Yeti team or a fan of the Skorpios team, the proceeds do go to help support the teams.
Because Zach now needs new pants.
Because I now need new pants. And we are also going to give away one of our awesome, cool new commemorative Yeti poker chips. Diana made 100 of them. She is selling them on Facebook. But we are going to give one away to a lucky subscriber who leaves a comment answering the question that I can't remember. What did Zach forget? Is everybody enjoying today's robot show?
How's that?
Hi, Aaron. You made something amazing. It's so cute. Oh my God, it gets even cuter. That is absolutely phenomenal. What drove you to make this little mini Rusty?
I just like doing 3D printing, a lot of drawing stuff up, and I couldn't wait for Hexbug. So I know they've made one now, but Made this guy a year ago because I couldn't wait. Couldn't wait a year, so got a little rusty.
All right. I need to do something. Come with me. All right.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's robot fight time.
And eat. He looks bigger on TV.
A little bit.
Congratulations to Attack Robotics. You won last week's giveaway, and you are getting a Skorpios Whiplash poker chip. Please answer our comment. We'll get that on your way. Thank you for being a subscriber. And please remember to subscribe to the Builder blog. We do giveaways almost every week.
The jaws every time Fatal Arrow spins up. Oh! There's an attack. Rush jump still driving. Still alive, still going.
Hey, look who else we found here at today's event. Oh, it's live! Oh my god!
Oh, we're recording. It's not a photo. Who knew? I didn't know.
Wait a minute, is that the wrong team?
Oh, we have a wild David. Ah!
2, 1, fight! And washing machine looks like they're dead. They tapped out. That's it. Neil wins it. This is going to be fun. And we are waiting for something more about still.
In the center?
Yeah! Yeah! Wait, stay there. Yeah!